here from Backroad Buddies, and the video we want to share with you today is about day 5 on our Rhine cruise, where we stopped and visited Speyer, Germany.
Now, to get your bearings, this is the country of Germany, and Speyer is down here right along the Rhine, south of Frankfurt. Now, we were coming from Rüdesheim, which is about up in here, west of Frankfurt, and we kind of just cruised along the Rhine in the morning to get to Speyer, and then spent the afternoon in Speyer. Now here's a closer view of the town of Speyer. Here's the Rhine River here. So we were docked, I believe, somewhere around in here. So after lunch we went on a short walk, guided walking tour, which was included with the cruise. So which kind of took us around through here over to the Speyer Cathedral over here. And then we had time to explore on our own. So we went inside the cathedral, then we walked down Maximilianstrasse, which is the main drag through the old part of town. This is the old part of town. And all the way, it's kind of a big shopping district with shops and restaurants and cafes, and went all the way down to the end here where there's an old town gate, or Altportal, and then kind of wandered back. We stopped for some ice cream, and then we wandered over to the Technik Museum, which is a technology museum, and we didn't actually go inside. We didn't feel like we had enough time to make buying a ticket worthwhile, so we just kind of viewed some of the outdoor displays from the outside, and then wandered back around, and then ended up here at a beer garden for a couple of drinks before getting back on the boat.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy Rhine Cruise, Day 5, Speyer, Germany. Thanks for watching. If you want more details about our experiences, look in the description below for a link to our related blog posts, so check that out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Ta-ta for now.